Hello children, how are you? I am Vijayash Yadav from Techno India Group Public School, Bhopal. Today we will discuss about sources of food from the EVS chapter 10. Sources of food means how we get food. हमें अपना खाना कहाँ से मिलता है? What are the sources of food? Mostly we get our food from either from the plants or from the animals. Let's get started. Our body works continuously from morning till night. Our body work continuously from morning to night. मतलब हमारी जो बॉडी होती है वो मॉर्निंग से लेकर शाम तक लगातार काम करती रहती है. Food gives us energy and help us to work throughout the day. How can we work? If we will not eat food, then our body will not get any type of energy. So food gives us energy and help us to work throughout the day. We all depend on both plants and animals for food. For our food, we depend on the plants or the animals. हमें जो अपना पूरा खाना होता है या तो हमें प्लांट से मिलता है या फिर एनिमल से मिलता है. Food from plants. Now we will discuss about the which type of the food, what food we get from the plants. We eat different parts of plants as a food, and from whatever food we get from the plants, we eat different parts of the plants as a food. Of some plants we eat only seeds. Of some plants we only eat the roots, and some plants we eat seeds. You can see here. Now you can see we eat different parts of the plant as a food. Roots you can see here. Of radish and carrot we only eat their roots, and there are some plants whom we eat the leaves like a spinach. एंड आपने देखा का स्पेंज मतलब जो आपका पालक होता है, मेथी होता है, दे ऑफ दिस वी ईट ओनली लीव्स. एंड दे आर द सम प्लांट्स ऑफ होम वी ईट द सीड्स, मतलब जिनकी हम बीजे खाते हैं लाइक अ कॉर्न. ऑफ सम प्लांट्स वी ईट द स्टेम्स. ऑफ सम प्लांट्स वी ईट द फ्रूट्स, एंड सम प्लांट्स वी ईट द फ्लावर्स. तो कुछ ऐसे प्लांट्स होती हैं जिनकी हम रूट्स मतलब जड़ें खाते हैं, कुछ की पत्तियाँ खाते हैं, कुछ के हम बीज खाते हैं, कुछ के हम तना खाते हैं मतलब जो नीचे की डंडे वो खाते हैं. कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके हम फ्रूट ईट करते हैं, और कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके हम फ्लावर ईट करते हैं. यू कैन सी हियर लाइक अ कैबेज. Vegetables and fruits have different vitamins and minerals in them. From vegetables, from fruit, we add different type of the minerals and we get different type of the vitamins. They are protective food and help our body to fight disease. And if we will not eat these food or these vegetables, then our body will be suffer from many type of the disease. So these food are protective food which protect us, our body, from different kind of the disease. Some vegetables can eat raw. There are some vegetables who are eaten raw. मतलब कुछ ऐसी वेजिटेबल्स होती हैं जिनको हम कच्चा ईट करते हैं, लाइक अ कैरेट, लाइक अ रेडिश, टमाटो, to whom we eat raw. While some need to be cooked before we eat, but there are some vegetables to whom we cannot eat without cooking, जिनको हम बिना कुक किए नहीं खा सकते. ऑलवेज ग्रामा से हमारी जो ग्रामा है वो कहती हैं वी शुड ऑलवेज वॉश ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स, रॉ वेजिटेबल्स, बिफोर ईटिंग देम टू रिमूव डस्ट एंड केमिकल्स. नाउ सीरियल्स लाइक wheat and rice in the stars. They are good source of energy. How we get energy? From the rice we get the rice and the wheat are the good source of energy, and they give us energy to do our daily chores. Pulses means जो दालें होती हैं. Pulses like a मूंग, उड़द, chana are rich in the proteins. So all students, all children should eat all type of the pulses like urad, chana, moong and tuar, because they are a very good source of proteins. They provide us proteins which are very essential for growing children. Growing means जो बढ़ते हुए बच्चे होते हैं, जब आप if you eat all type of the pulses, then your height will be grow. आपकी हाइट बढ़ाने में बहुत हेल्पफुल होते हैं. And they also help to build and repair damaged body parts. Now vitamins, mineral, starch, proteins and fats are called nutrients. जिनके खाने में सभी तरह के विटामिन्स रहते हैं, मिनरल्स रहते हैं, स्टार्च रहता है, प्रोटीन रहता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द बैलेंस डाइट. मिल्क इज अ कंप्लीट फूड फॉर द चिल्ड्रन. Milk is a complete food because milk contains calcium, protein, fat and vitamins. We get vegetable oil from the plants like a mustard, groundnut, coconut and sunflower. Whatever oil we use in our cooking, we also get this from the plants. From which plant we get the oil? Like a mustard. Mustard means सरसों. Groundnut means मूंगफली के जो होते हैं, मूंगफली के वो होता है तेल. Coconut, नारियल and sunflower is a kind of a flower. And these are rich in the fat. ये हमारी बॉडी को फैट प्रोवाइड करते हैं. And energy and warmth to our body are also, they also provide energy to our body. Spices are part of some plant. Spices मतलब जो मसाले होते हैं, they also we also get these spices from the plants, and they are very useful to add the flavor, aroma and color to our food. ये हमारे जो हमारे खाने होते हैं उसमें एक अच्छा फ्लेवर प्रोवाइड करता है, अच्छा कलर प्रोवाइड करता है फूड को. और जैसे बिना स्पाइसेस के हमारे फूड में कोई भी टेस्ट नहीं होता है. पेपर, क्लोव and turmeric are example of some spices. We get sugar from the stem of the sugar cane. Stem आपने देखा जो नीचे का पार्ट होता है, जो जड़ से ऊपर का पार्ट होता है, this is called a stem. So we get sugar from the sugar cane. We get tea from the leaves of the tea plant. हमें टी होती है, वो एक टी का प्लांट होता है, उसके लीव्स हमें मिलती है. We get coffee from the beans of coffee plants. Leaves like the leaves of the plants like a tulsi, neem, eucalyptus and mint have medical value. कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी बहुत मेडिसिन वैल्यू होती है. लाइक तुलसी, आपने देखा होगा आजकल सर्दी, थोड़ा सा भी कफ हुआ, थोड़ा सा भी कोल्ड हुआ तो हमें उसमें तुलसी का काढ़ा बहुत फायदेमंद रहता है. नीम, if you drink the boiled water of neem leaves, then it is very useful for our body to remove the infection from our body. Now, foods from the animals. We also get some food from the animals. You can see here, we get food from many animals. We cook most of it before eating. And before eating this milk food, we have to cook it. Milk and milk products. Animals like cow, goats and buffaloes give us milk. Which animal give us milk? Cows, goats and buffaloes give us milk. People drink camel milk in desert. डेजर्ट मतलब जो रेगिस्तान में जो आपका रेतीला एरिया होता है, राजस्थान में जो आपने देखा होगा सारा डेजर्ट, जो आपका डेजर्ट एरिया होता है, मोस्टली दे आर पीपल मिल्क द कैमल्स मिल्क. कैमल्स मतलब जो आपका ऊँट होता है उसका मिल्क दे पीते हैं. एंड इन द कोल्ड एंड द हिली एरिया, जो आप बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडे देश होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा हिली एरिया होते हैं, in that places mostly people drink yog's milk. And some milk product we use are cheese, curd and butter. Egg. Hen and ducks give us eggs. Who give us eggs? Hens and ducks. And they are a rich source of proteins. So egg provide us proteins. Honey. Honey is obtained from honeybee. From where we get honey? From honeybees we get honey. And it is used as a sweetener and even as an antiseptic. and honey is also used as a sweet and also as an antiseptic. It is also suit a sore throat. Meat, flesh of animals like a hen, goat, fish, prawn, lobster is eaten as a meat. Meat means when we eat there are some people who eat the flesh of animal. जो कुछ पर्सन ऐसे होते हैं जो एनिमल्स का फ्लैश मतलब जो एनिमल का मांस खाते हैं. They are called this is called the meat. Some people do not eat meat and eggs. They are the some people who do not eat meat and eggs. They are called the non-vegetarian. They only eat fruits, vegetables and milk products. They are called the vegetarians. And they are the some people who eat the meat and eggs along with the fruits and vegetables and milk products are called the non-vegetarians. So who are the non-vegetarian? Who are the vegetarian? People who eat only fruits, vegetables and milk products, they are called the vegetarian. And they are the some people who eat the flesh of other animals and along with the fruits and vegetables and milk product, they are called the non-vegetarians. That's all. Now cultural diversity in the food. Cultural diversity means in our India is also known as a unity in diversity. Here people eat different kinds of the food, speak different kinds of the languages and wear different kinds of the clothes. So cultural diversity in the food. The food we eat depend upon the region we live. जो भी हम फूड खाते हैं वो वहाँ के रीजन पे डिपेंड होता है कि वहाँ के लोग क्या फूड खाते हैं. Diversity of the food items, our habit, customs and religious belief. People who stay in the coastal area eat a lot of seafood like a fish, prawn and lobster because it is easily available there. People who stay in the coastal area मतलब जो समुद्री लोग होते हैं जो समुद्र के किनारे पे रहते हैं, बड़े बड़े सी होते हैं, तो दे मोस्टली ईट द सी फूड मतलब जो उसमें मछलियाँ पाई जाती हैं. फिश हो गया, जो मछलियों के जो बच्चे होते हैं, प्रॉन्स हो गया, लॉबस्टर हो गया, क्योंकि वो उनको इजीली मिल जाता है, बहुत आसानी से उनको वो मिल जाते हैं. सो दे ओनली ईट द सी फूड. एंड द पीपल ऑफ द साउथ इंडियन मोस्टली ईट द इडली, सांबर, बड़ा एंड डोसा. पीपल ऑफ पंजाब मोस्टली लाइक टू ईट मक्के की रोटी, dal and sarson ka saag. What is the favorite food of Punjab? The favorite food of Punjab people is they mostly like to eat sarson ki roti, dal and makke and sarson ka saag. Sorry, makke ki roti, dal and sarson ka saag. Some people do not eat meat and egg because they feel it goes against their religions and custom. And some people do not eat the flesh of other animal means meat and egg because they thought that it is against their religions and the customs. The food habit of people around the world is different a lot. So food habit is different from one country to another country and one city to another city. Some people like to eat semi-cooked food. Some prefer bland food without. So some people like to eat semi-cooked half-cooked food, while some other like the food without spices. Some like spices food. And we not only eat the different things, we also use same things to make a different food items. ऐसा नहीं होता कि जो स्पाइसी खाते हैं वो दूसरी चीज़ यूज़ करते हैं, जो नहीं खाते वो अदर, बट दे यूज द सेम थिंग्स. But some eat spicy food while some not eat this type of the food. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.